Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install .NET Framework 3.5 because of this error code 0x800F0900. Now to fix it, the first step is to repair .NET Framework. Now for this, you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. The link is provided in the video description. You can click on download over here and then you can run this exe file. Click on yes to allow, agree, next, next, next. Just follow the on-screen instruction and you can run the repair. Again, now click on finish and then you can restart your computer and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to uninstall and reinstall .NET Framework. Now for this, you can try this. Turn Windows feature on or off. Type in the Windows search box, turn Windows feature on or off, and then click on turn Windows feature on or off. Now, if this is checked, .NET Framework 3.5, if this is checked, if this is unchecked, you cannot do it. But if this is checked, you can uncheck it, click on OK, and let the process complete. This process will take some time. Now, once done, you can click on close over here and then restart your computer. And after the system restart, again type in turn Windows feature on or off, and then again you can put a check over here, click on OK and let it complete and you can check. This will again take some time. Now if you see this option, let Windows Update download the files for you, you can select this one and let the process complete. Now once this is done, you can restart your computer and then you can check. That should help you to install it, but still not working. The last step is to use in place upgrade to repair all the issues and then try to install .NET Framework. For this, you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. So on this page, you can scroll down. It will take you to Microsoft website. The link is provided in the video description. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now and then you can run this exe file. And then click on accept over here. By default, Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file, then click on next. You can save it to desktop. Click on save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish. Let this close automatically. Then go to desktop. Make a double click on Windows ISO file. Make a double click on setup file. Click on yes to allow. Click on next. Click on accept. Now over here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So make sure this is checked. Hit install and this will take some time. And once the installation is complete, restart your computer and then you can try to install .NET Framework 3.5. You can put a check and install it. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to get rid of this error. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.